made it to C10s in the park here at Waxahachie, Texas. It's been crazy.
It's been chaos for you, buddy.
It's been chaos. I have been stressing. We got up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
The line was already 2 miles long at 4 a.m., y'all.
Yes, this is nuts.
If you want to come next year, you better get your tickets early and be prepared to get up at the crack of dawn.
Yeah, but this is going to be the greatest C10 show. I mean, there's so many people here. It is freaking awesome. Got the booth set up right here. Y'all come by next year and check it out. But we're going to show you the best show coverage and show you some of the coolest cars, the coolest trucks here.
Yeah, let's go get them. We're going to start filming, guys. Y'all come on, check this out.
Let's go.
Guys, I know y'all seen us work on the red C10. It finally made it to the show. Josh, are you happy?
Yeah.
You happy your truck made it somewhere?
Yeah, finally. First show. Wore out, but we're here.
We had to wait in line. It didn't run hot.
No.
Alternator worked the whole time.
Had power, no leaks.
And it looks badass. Y'all check this out.
Hey guys, this is my 68 C10. We're here at the C10 in the park. We just finished this truck 2 days ago. We went through a lot of hustle. I want to thank Revival, Kid, my guy, Rafa, the one that did the upholstery. Everybody did a hell of a job, a lot of work. LG Billet, thank you for the support. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. We got a regular 5.3 engine, no modifications. We want something simple and quiet. QA1 in all corners of the truck. Truck sits pretty low. We got engine cross member. We're trying to make a little static on this truck. I want to thank everybody. Like I said, this is a 68 C10. It started like a cruise truck and we end up like this.
Did you do all the work yourself?
Yes, sir.
What year model is it?
It's a 77.
77. How long did it take you to build it?
About a year.
It looks awesome, man. What's your air management system?
It's AccuAir. Yeah, 4L80, 6.0.
How long have you had it on the road?
This is the furthest I've driven it. I had it on the road for just a few months, really, since the Faster Truck Throwdown.
Okay.
So I drove it from Odessa to here, about 5.5 hours, as long as I've driven it. So did pretty good, man. The AC blows cold, cruises down the road just fine.
You love it, huh?
I love it, man.
Have you
Yeah.
towed with it yet?
Not yet, no. Plan
plan
to.
on it?
Yeah, plan to. Little car trailer, just open car trailer. Stock headliner. It's got the old cowboy hat. The element tissue dispenser back.
Oh, the tissue dispenser. I see it now. My grandma probably had that in her Suburban.
Yes. It's got the old swimsuit calendar thing from like 1989.
Is that all the stock interior? Did you redo it?
Stock interior, yeah.
It's not been.
No, it's all stock, man. Yeah. It's all original. It was a 3/4 ton, that's what it was, and I turned it to a dually.
Oh, really?
So that's why it doesn't have the cab lights yet or the tailgate lights.
Did you find a bed that matched?
No, that's a stock bed. I had these fenders laying around, had a buddy body work them. Just cut it out, put these on there.
Paint looks good.
Yeah, he matched it pretty well, yeah. I'm Cody Cravens. This is my 77 C30.
you call that?
A wolf whistle.
A wolf whistle. And what's
Yeah.
the purpose of it?
To whistle the ladies.
That works off vacuum?
It works off back, and that's why I have to start it.
Is that a hard thing to find nowadays?
No, you can still get them. They make reproduction ones, but I wouldn't buy one of those.
Try to find an original.
You gotta find an original.
I gotta try to find me one now. Well, we're leaving C10s in the park, and we're heading to the square downtown for the party on the square.
We got a ticket. We got tickets.
We got the golden ticket to be, and Josh is back there. Y'all see Josh's red one? He got a golden ticket too, so we're going to the square. I think today was an awesome day, dog. What do you
It
think?
was a great day. We got in trouble just a little
We
bit.
didn't get in trouble. Chase got in trouble. He was doing the Texas two-step all day long, and
I was doing the two-step and I was sea-walking.
yeah, and they had enough of that, so we couldn't no more two-stepping. We apologize.
Sorry, C10s in the park.
Sorry, C10's in the park. I apologize for my friend here. He doesn't know how to act away from the house.
I don't.
But we're going to the square. Y'all come down there and see old Mac.